Yung bangs ko, ayaw, yung bangs ko recently hindi siya nakikisama, sa totoo lang. Stress na ako sa kanya. Everybody, hello. So, for today's video, tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go to Wat Arun. Yeah, but I can't finally found the ride. Ayaw makasama ng bangs ko. Hayaan mo na. Papagod na ako mag-ayos ng bangs na to. Hindi na nga totoo. Ang hirap pang ayusin. Gago no. Look at but the highlight is highlightening. Oh. Hinighlightening ko yan, girl. Hinayos ko yan. We're gonna go to temple. So again, everybody, if you're in Thailand, you're going to temple, this is not allowed. So I have my pangtakip mamaya. Kailangan nyo yan dito, okay? Tsaka kailangan nyo yung highlight. Okay, sige na. See you later. Just waiting for the boat and I'll take you to Wat Arun for today's video. And let's see what else we can do for today after Wat Arun. Because I know that it's only open until 5. I'm not sure. Oo nga, no, hindi ko pa na-check. Check ko nga. Okay, see you everybody. Para malaman nyo lang kung saan tayo gogora today. Yan, dyan tayo gogora. Ganda, diba? Oh. Simplihan lang natin yung outfit. Huwag masyadong pasabog. Oo, kasi mainit. Hindi nakaka-gorgeous mag-outfit masyado. Magkano kaya yung entrance? 100 yata. Official site. Anyways, let's go. Gusto niya yan. Wala pa akong 1 minuto sa labas, diba? Binibili na ako ni Daddy. Ayun, no. Kita ba? Wait lang. Sana si Daddy? Ayun, no. Ang bilis, di ba? Binibili ka agad. Tawag sa inyo, eh. O, di ba? I told you so many times. Magsawa kayo sa Daddy dito. Pagkalabas ko pa lang, tapos may dumaan na Daddy. Ay, huminto agad sa harapan ko. Talaga naman. O, ito na. Tayo sa Wat Arun. Sana fresh ako. Natamad ako mag-ayos kasi gagimik ako mamaya. So mag-aayos na naman ako kaya hindi ako nag-pull pack. Basta kinilayan ko lang and with a little bit of highlight and a blush on. Yun na yun. Ito pala, lip tint. Ang brand nito, gusto nyo malaman. Okay, everybody, dinarap na ako nung taxi. Buti na lang dinarap niya ako kasi gusto ko na mag-open na gusto ko na maglakad. Kasi there's like a lot of things around. So I think I should start walking in, gano'n. Oh, it's 2025 and by the way, it's January 2nd of 2025. So it's 2025 when I was recording this. This is the first ever vlog I'm doing for 2025. So we're gonna go to Wat Arun. Kaya ako nag-noseline. Oo. Kasi first vlog ko to of the year, kailangan magsimula akong fresh. I need to start fresh, looking fresh, amazing, stunning. Ganon. So for today's video, I told you we're gonna go to Wat Arun. Wait, paano ba dito pumunta? I know that there's like an entrance fee of 100 baht. So, ayun. Let's go. Let's do it. My God. The chaos is chaosing. Everybody again for starting 2025. Wait nga. Harap ko muna sa akin. Wait, tawid muna ako. Alam niyo naman, di ba? Takot ako tumawid. Pag may mga tumatawid na rin ako agad. Kahit hindi pa ako dapat doon. So, ayan. Hello, ang ganda ng outfit. 200 baht. Oh, 200 baht pala. Oh, wait, there's a line. Huwag akong chusera. There's a line pala. Oh, here. Ayan. So, everybody, the ticket is 200 baht and they only accept cash. Cash only. Uy, gusto ko itong mga pa-outfitting. Ganda. I love that. Oh, diba? Hindi kasi ako maganda sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Saudi ka. Ticket, everybody, ticket. 200 baht. Ay. Oh, ayun. Pumasok na tayo. Everybody, this is gonna be like a full tour of Wat Arun. Time is 4. I think it closes at 6. So, ayun. Hala. Ayan. This is what I'm doing, everybody. Whenever like I go somewhere, I take picture of this. So like, I'll know where to go. My God. The English is jumping. Sometimes I'm also not sure if I'm doing the right thing. Oh. I want this, right? So I speak English. To all my international friends, I'm doing this for you. So you watch my vlog, okay? The only reason why I'm speaking English is because so you can understand what I'm saying. So let's do it. Alay, the outfit is outfitting. I will show you everybody. Nakaka-prinsipe oh. Hello. So this is what I do. I follow wherever people go, I follow. Ay, ayan na siya. My God, this is so fast. My God, it's here. I was expecting at least 500 meters walk, but it's already here. Ay, ba't ka naman nadapa? Sorry. I don't know if I will be able to keep my words to speak English on the upcoming vlogs because you know my English is very limited and I will go gimmick tonight. So I'm reserving 20% to my aura tonight. To my auras, yes, because every night it's a lot. Hoy! Hoy! What aron? Gusto ko yung mga pa-outfitting talaga. Diba? Let's do it. Oh, hello. So everybody who's asking me, like, how can you do vlog in public? Just don't think about them. Just keep recording yourself. Just think like you're... No one cares, trust me. Put your camera in your face. No one cares about your vlog. You're not gonna see them again, so just do the vlog. In Tagalog, basta mag-vlog ka.
E por que você fez aquilo, Otávio?
May mga naririnig ako. Alam niyo ba? True to life, if someone is talking to me in English, I stay away. Most especially if I know that I will be going out evening time. I'm reserving it. Oo, kasi nade-drain ako. I get drained. Hoy, ang ganda. Wait nga. Puro ako chika. Everybody, again, let's go. Let's do it. So, we're gonna go inside, take pictures around 5:30. You know, everybody. So, for those who's new to my channel, so I only take pictures around 5 to 5:30 because I look good in sunset. The sun is not yet giving. Diba? I'm so honest. Right? I'm so honest. Ay. Pako. Mukhang maganda yung angle. I think this is like the best angle to take pictures. Actually, not so. Let's find another spot. Everybody, see the outfit. I think this is one of the best spots to actually... Ay! May pasahid view. Si Kuya, talaga naman. Ay, talaga naman. I cannot do my Filipino humor now. My God, because I'm speaking English. Because I promised this. I really promised myself that 2025, all my upcoming vlogs will be English. So, everyone that I traveled with and the people who I will meet can understand my vlog. And now it's hard. I regret. I regret my decision. I'm so sorry. I give up. I didn't even last for like one vlog. I already give up. My God. Okay, let's take a picture. No, later pala. I'll do the picture later. Let me tour you first. Ay, di ba para akong siraulo? Sabi ko full tour pero puro ako chika tapos my English, it's not working. I said that I will do a full tour, but here I am, just showing my face every time. Okay, there's really like a lot of people. It's January 2nd. You got it? Ay, there's more to see. It's so hard to walk. I'm wearing a long dress. Like really, really long. Later na ako so I will do the stairs later. I will do like a quick 360 around the temple. So. Hi. Everybody, I don't know if you can see this, but there's like that. Oh, something is like that later. We will ride that, I hope. The boat. We will do the boating later. But for now, let's do the touring. The camera 360. Like the camera, the ano. Excuse me. Sorry. More walk. Ay. Labanan sila ng 360. I'm so crazy. So happy. I'm giving my full energy because this is gonna be like my first ever vlog of 2025. Okay. Wait. Later the stairs. More 360. Everybody, again, this is like a full tour, okay? So enjoy. Whatever is happening now is it's exactly what you can see once you go here. They're also checking the details of the temple. Okay, let's give attention. Slowly but surely. Yeah. Ay. May English, ayoko dyan. Alam nyo naman, di ba? You know everybody, right? Wherever I go, people are talking to me. So, we're not doing that today. I'm tired.
Let's go down.
Hi, Joe.
Ay, the outfit is outfitting talaga. I think that's the end. I was also here earlier. Ay, si tatay. Talaga naman. Baba tayo, girl. Let's go down, girl. It's like I'm doing my own, how do you say this? Subtitle. Oh, everybody, so yeah, that's gonna be it. It's basically just like a really, really big temple in the middle, and you can like just go around. So that's what you can do there. Take like a really, really good picture, or maybe hire a photographer. Which should I ask? Yeah, magtanong nga. Ay, parang gusto ko yung mga angguluhan talaga nila. Okay, I've never been on this side yet, so okay, let's see. This side looks really, really good. Grabe mga photographer. The photographers are giving. I think it's worth it to get one, everybody. So in case that you actually want to go here, I think it's really, really worth it to hire a photographer because I can really see them that they're doing the job. What Aaron has done, you know what's next? Apam hunting. Charis. Charis lang. Charis lang. Oh, everybody, that's gonna be it, ha? Bonus vlog tayo. Hahanapin ko yung again, it's English. Everybody, that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna be making my bonus vlog, which is riding the boating. We need the boating to be boating. Oh. We need to find the boat. But first, the toilet. Hoy, naihi talaga ako. I really want to pee now. It's hard to speak in English. Really, to my international friends, if you don't watch this, wala. I will kill all of you. You guys are the one who requested this, so watch my vlog. Hello. The affirm is affirming. Hello. Talaga naman. Toilet siguro to. Ay. Hala, ito na yung boating. Wait, toilet first. I really wanna go to the toilet. Oh, let's walk. Everybody, just so you know, okay, like at the back of the Wat Arun, okay, that's the Wat Arun. Then just at the back, there's like another small temple. So if you want to check it out. But I'm okay. Talaga naman ang sweet. Ay, kayo na talaga. Hinahanap ko yung yung tig-5 piso lang. So I'm looking for the cheap boat ride. The 5 pesos. Ay, the 5 baht. That's what I want. Yes. Everybody admit it. All my Thailand vlog, I'm beautiful. Ito yung this is the, ano ba to? Ay, bakit 200 ulit? Wait lang. Ah, ferry crossing. Maybe this is the one I'm looking for. Maybe this is the one. Let's see, let's see. We admit it. All my Thailand vlog, I'm fresh. Yes. It's the first ever time to buy makeup weekly. Only in Thailand. Bawal yung mga sleeveless entrance. Alam mo, I'll just follow them. Yeah, just follow the crowd. The crowd is crowding. Oh. Wait, I'll show you. My God, it's so long. Ang haba ng pila ko eh. My God. Oh. So this is the ferry ride. I think it's 5 baht. Oh, not bad. We also have it in the Philippines, in Hulong Duhat. Sa Tres. We call it Tres Dos. If I remember it correctly. Mga Jamers. Evening class, St. James. Alam nyo yan. You know that. At sabi ko sa inyo, maganda ako sa gantong. I told you everybody, this is the best lighting for me. The sunset is sunsetting. Haba pala nung pila. Parang ayoko na. Sige na nga, nandito na ako for the experience. Let's go it. Why not? Hala, hanggang dulo pala to. Na-stress ako. Gandang bata. Ala. To ever who invented DJI Osmo. Thank you. No filter needed. Ayan na. Mag-ferry tayo. Ferry ride. Ayun yung gusto. This is the best lighting for me. Buhok ko. Inipit ko na lang pataas. Tinamad na ako. Kaya ko pa inaayos. I was fixing it since earlier. But it's not fixing itself. The bangs is not giving today. Everybody talking about the 5 baht ferry fare. That's it. Okay. Wala nang ticket. Just like that. So just give your 5 baht and ride. Everybody, by the way, I don't know if where this is going, ha? Literally, hindi ko talaga alam. I literally don't know where is this going. I just saw like a bunch of people waiting on the line and it looks fun, so why not? Why not do it? So, nakakaloka, wait lang. I'm gonna try to find a really good spot. Dito tayo kay Captain. Let's sit with the Captain somewhere near. I don't want to sit, it's okay. First boat ride of 2025. And I don't even know where is this going. I literally just like ride the boat. Because the highlight is highlighting it. My God. Hello. Basta. Whatever this takes, I'll take myself to. Na-stress bigla. Hala. I think I'm gonna have to sit. Hello. So, ayan. I'm gonna find someone who knows maybe where is this going. You know what? Just leave it. I don't mind. I can always ride the Grab going back, so, or going somewhere, or going back home. My God, the Bangkok is balcony. Ang saya. Hoy, this is it, everybody. Again, I don't know where is this going, okay? I'm just riding. Ay, may paano. Talaga naman. A lot of people are here right now. I was able to make it. Diba? I'm part of the last people who rode the boat. Shit. So funny. My English is so funny. Ang boring ng nakaupo. Tumayo tayo. I was sitting earlier but I wanna stand. Ayan. Boat ride. First boat ride 2025. Ala, saya. Gusto ko to. Hindi ko kayang tumalon. Kaya ko. Walking. Let's see if where this boat will take me. Pag naligaw, if I get lost, then call the friends. Call a friend, ganon. Ay, ang ganda ng Wat Arun from here. The Wat Arun looks beautiful from here. Really, really beautiful. Ay, mami, nilaro ako. Literal na tawid lang pala talaga to, mami. Shoot, it's really for the experience. My God. So we were there. And I think this is where it's gonna stop. Laro, ala. Nilaro lang pala ako talaga. Laro, mami. Natatawa ako. Akala ko malayo. I thought it's gonna be like at least 5 minutes ride. Itinawid ka lang pala talaga. So they would literally just like go to the opposite side. That's it, ah. Okay, so everyone who's watching my vlog, it's not like a boat ride, okay? Literally, it's just like gonna send you on the other side of the other side, opposite side. So that's it. At least I know the answer now. So it's here. We go. Shoot, nilaro ako. Almost 30 minutes akong pumila. Ang gigigil ako. That's fine. Wait. Ay! Hello! First 2025 boat ride laro. Laro? Uy, okay. I don't know where to go now. So, let's just follow the crowd and crowding. Nako na, may mga Russia na naman. Ayoko na sa one-ups. Nagsawa sa Russia. Tantantama na yung mga Russia na yun. Pagod na ako. I need to find my place going back. I'm gonna go to Grand Palace. I will show you how the Grand Palace looks like from the outside. Yes, because the entrance is 450. So we'll just take a look from the outside, okay? Ay, may mga road map naman pala. Wag na yan. Magagrab na lang ako. Sorry everybody, you know me, right? I usually ride the public utility something, but for today's video, pagod. Ayaw mahagad. Sayang kasi yung kilay ko. I don't want my eyebrows to be destroyed. Ang inang vlog ito. Parang it's really a wrong decision to make all my incoming videos to be English. Hindi siya Englishening. Kaya may mga pagkain. There's foods outside. Okay, I'm happy now. This only means that I can make more vlog and I can speak more English because of the food. But first, let's go somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna book my Grab. I'll see you on my next location. Kung hindi, di umuwi. Babay na lang. O, di ba? Pag natapos na to, wala nang kasunod, edi, babay na nga, para sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to Grand Palace, so goodbye, everybody. Everybody, if you thought I went home, not so sure. We're here in the Grand Palace. So yeah, we are going. Diba? Pero in advance ko na yun, but I already advanced my goodbyes because I'm not sure if I will go. So let's go. So let me show you the Grand Palace. It's beautiful. The Grand Palace is Grand Palacing. Ano pinagsasabi ko? Bakit iba sabi ng sabi? I'm looking for chicken liver and chicken bam. Yes, I want to eat the chicken liver and chicken bam. So if you go here, everybody, the entrance fee, I think is 450. So we're not going inside. Only outside. Ganun lang. Hello. I feel like it's beautiful. We were also here the last time, but we just like passed by. We were riding the motorcycle, and it was so beautiful. So here I am coming back to see it once again. So, here I am. Kahit picture lang. Isang picture lang sa harap, yung isang magandang picture lang. Pwede na yun. Everybody, I'm so sorry. This is only what I can show you. Ito lang yung inabot ng libre. I thought the gate is open, but it's not. So, I'm so sorry. The bonus clip is not so bonus. But at least, ayan. Just look at the... how do you say that? Basta bubong. Yung magagandang bubong. Translate nyo na lang. The roof is roofing. This is only what I can show you. I'm so sorry, everybody. But this is the Grand Palace, okay? Tapusin ang bonus clip. Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed coming with me today in Wat Arun. To all my international friends, this first vlog, I dedicate this for you because it's English. Like promise. So again, thank you for watching the first ever vlog that I made for 2025. This is Kay Toretto. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you have a great day. Good night. Oh, everybody wait. Oh, just so when I thought that I can show you anything, if you move further. So I was there and I crossed that street because I'm on my way home, and then suddenly I saw a lot of people taking pictures on this side. So yeah, I think you can see a bit from here. So ayun lang, that's the bonus clip, very quick. I just really wanted to show you how the Grand Palace looks like from the outside. So if you don't pay, this is what you can see, but still you can take a good picture.